Yep. Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live, so you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch. Alright, so this is Tiblio, and it's an amazing online service that helps you find the best trading opportunities. They have multiple different screeners for credit spreads, bull and bear squeezes with a lot of trading activity, option sweeps to follow large trades and big money moves, and a lot more for your different trading strategies. There's a trading board so you can log all your trades as soon as you enter. You're gonna get real-time alerts sent straight to your phone and get a good idea of your percentage of wins and losses. You're gonna get access to fast market news on any stock, and that's valuable in itself. But the best feature is the community Discord group, where you can exchange trading ideas and get guidance from the Tiblio team. So you can sign up for $34.95 a month. That's less than a tank of gas, but make sure that you sign up with my link and get your first month for 20% off. All right, so make sure you check out Tiblio.
Foxtail from the deep.
Okay, okay, we are live. Okay, hey, what's up YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. I'm a little bit late, just getting everything set up. But this is our Sunday live chat where we just come and just do a little technical analysis on a few stocks that you guys are interested in for this upcoming week. So I hope everybody is doing well. What's up, Teresa? We're in our last couple of weeks of December, so you know, we'll just see what the end of the year has to bring. If this is your first time watching any of our lives, thank you for joining us. Make sure you click that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. Also subscribe and click that notification bell. What's up, Lala? What's up, Daryl? What's going on? Okay, and then later on tonight, I'm gonna have our top 3 option plays video up. So it's just gonna have a recap of this previous week's options, and then, you know, a few different trades that you can look into for next week. So let's go ahead and let's get into it because I still have to finish editing. All right, so you already know the format. I just want you guys to put the ticker symbol of the stock that you want to look at and let me know if you're trying to day trade it, swing trade it. Are you doing stocks, shares? Are you doing options? And we're just gonna get into that. What's up, Jajaya? What's up, Juanita? Josh? What's up, Sharonda? Howard? Adriana? Jay Pitts? What's up, Garnell? Raphael? Everybody's in here tonight, okay? What's up, Jermaine? Thank you so much for joining the live. The Divine Mind. Yes, girl, let's end this year on a positive. No, I hope so, but I want to end it on a positive note. I've been doing very well this past week with puts, so, you know, up or down, that's why we love options, because we have options with that. So, okay, this is going to be the first one. And this, oh God, the comments are moving so fast. Hold on. Okay, so this is from Sharonda, and this is SOFI. So let's see what it's talking about. And make sure you guys click the thumbs up button for me while I get everything set up. Oh, wow. Okay, so you said you have some calls that are going to expire next week. Well, so this stock is definitely in an uptrend right now, but I feel like we've been seeing a lot of the same things in the majority of the stocks, at least at the end of the year, it seems like, but a lot of them have been in a downtrend, and in a downtrend, you could expect a short-term price movement up. So it looks like we kind of had that, when was this? On the 15th last week, and you know, it could do it next week. So if I was going to, you know, bank on that, let me see. And it, you know, it had a little pull up on Friday. So, you know, I would definitely, going into the market open on Monday, I would probably want to see it continue to move up into $14.90 and $15. But because it's expiring next week and it's in a strong downtrend, I don't know. I might want to get out of that one. Let me see what the theta is looking like. Okay, the theta is cute. So, I mean, oh wow, and it has really high open interest and volume. So yeah, I would want to see if it moves past those numbers that we just talked about. But if it starts moving lower, if it starts moving to 1430 and down, I would probably go ahead and cut my losses on that, especially if it crossed below this 50 moving average on the week chart. So that's something that you can look for with that. So thank you, Sharonda. Thank you, girl. Okay. What's up? What's up, Larksley? Terry, Samston 4141, what's up? De Parker, what's going on? Okay, next one. This is from Juanita. I feel like it's Juanita. I feel like that. What is that? RIVN? Ooh, Lord. We'll see what happens with this. They did really cute when they came out, but let's see. Let me see. Hold on. Is that right? No. Whew. Disappointment. And they just had an earnings on, wow. Oh my God. -12. Okay, I know this is a new IPO. -12 for the earnings. I'm not sure, honey. And you said you have shares. I mean, okay, it really depends on your overall outlook on this, because I've really gotten into leveraging with options and not just doing just to trade them for themselves. So if you wanted to keep your shares and you feel like long term this is going to be a good stock because they have a really high market cap, if you feel like it's going to continue dropping, because it did kind of pass out of this little support. What was this? They had some support at maybe 100. So it kind of passed below that support. So it could continue dropping. And with such a negative earnings, it could, you know, like I said, it's probably going to drop more. I don't know. I don't want to predict that. But just start doing puts on it. Even if you want to buy shares, do puts. I don't know. And I mean, they're kind of high though. So, I mean, you can just kind of see, ooh, and their implied volatility is high. Maybe you can do some spreads, do some credit spreads with this. Because this is looking like, you know, it could continue to drop. And they have a decent volume, 12 million on Friday. So just kind of see what happens with that. How do you pronounce that? RIVN? I'm not sure. Every single time I go live, my nose gets stopped up. I don't know why that is. All right, so the next one is from Alicia. And this is ChargePoint. Ooh, that's a pretty name, Alicia. And I like how you spell it too. Make sure you guys click that thumbs up. Oh, yes. Okay. So this is what I like. Okay. This is what I like. So this is ChargePoint, and I feel like with the EV stocks being as popular as they are, you know, they're trying to completely, I don't want to say completely, but definitely move away from fossil fuels. So we're going to need charging stations for all of these electronic vehicles that they're talking about, electric vehicles, whatever. So I feel like ChargePoint, you know, it should pop back up. And I like how we've kind of been trading in between this zone for, you know, since around April. I'm gonna move it down. It looks like we have some resistance at this 28 and some support down at 19. So 2019, 20, 25. Okay, so it has a little bit of room, and right now it's at 19. So it's kind of at that support. I want to see what happens around this time. Is it going, oh, and the RSI is really low for a call. I see what you're trying to do. I see what you're trying to do. Okay, so, and let's look at how much these options are. Oh my gosh, look at how cheap these options are, girl. $100, $80. And you can, even going out to January, it's $100. You can really do a lot with this. Okay, so this is pretty nice. Okay, so going into this, and okay, one more thing. What did they do on their earnings? A little, the earnings are a little off, but that's okay. We'll just kind of see what happens with that. If I was gonna do something with this, I would want to see it past this previous high right here. What was this, on Wednesday, last Wednesday, this 20? Okay, so I would need to see it reach at least 20. I would need to see it at least go up $1 before I was going to enter any type of call right now. The RSI is low, it still has room to grow. That rhymed. So I would just kind of want to see with that. But that, I think I see what you're looking at. You're looking at that pattern. I see what you're doing. Okay, that's what's up. All right, so thank you for that. That was ChargePoint. All right, next, this is from Larksley. What's up, Larksley? I remember on last live, I literally saw your comment after I pressed in the live. So I was like, dang. So I'm gonna make sure I get this one. This is when. I never heard of this one. What is that? Wendy's. I love Wendy's. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they had a stock. It's not doing too much. Let's see. And they just had an earnings back in November. Decent. It was just slightly above what was expected. It has a decent uptrend right now since December started, and it looks like it's kind of starting to move up a little bit further. So I don't know if we can see if it reaches this 23. It looks like it's moving up to that. So I would just kind of want to see. The MACD indicator looks okay. It looks like it could have, a crossover, and the histogram looks like the green bars are moving up too. So I would just kind of want to see with that, but it hasn't moved much. It's really been in between a small zone. So I don't know. And what is their volume? Average volume. Their volume is decent, 500,000. So yeah. Oh, and lastly, I don't know if you're trying to do options or not with this. Wow. Okay. Their options are very cheap also. So I mean, yeah, you can definitely do something with that. So I don't know. Let me see. If I was going to be, okay. Yeah. If I was going to do anything with that, if you were going to be bullish on this, because Friday did kind of have a little pop up. I would want to see it move past this 22, at least 22.50, 22.75 into 23. But this one hasn't moved that much. So we'll see what happens with that. Thank you for that. Okay. 87 in here. Okay. What's up, Lily? That's a cute name. All right. This is from Jaya. Oh, okay. This is Junita. Oh, okay. That's cute. Thank you. Thank you for clearing that up. Okay, so this is from Jajai. Hey, Foxtel, I have January 2021. Do you mean 2022 on NVIDIA 400 strike? I'm up, but the theta is currently 0.8. That's really not too bad. Versus 0.4 delta. Oh no, I'm not liking that. Odd. Let's look and see. Let's look. Oof. Okay, I think I see the pattern that you're looking at. Okay, so this is kind of giving me a little bit of a bearish flag. Boom, 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 boom. Did you say a call or a put? Now, if you have a put, then that would be cute because it is in a downtrend. You didn't say if you have a call or a put, so I'm just going to assume you have a put because that's the trend that it's in. And you said January 2022. Let me see. And you didn't say the actual date either. You're not giving me a lot of information here. And it can't be this. It can't be this. Hold on. I don't know what you have, but I'm just gonna go off of what you said. If the theta is higher than the delta, then that's not a good sign to me. I don't know. I would probably exit that position. Okay. But yeah, this is definitely in a strong downtrend. Even though it does have this pattern here, it could have a quick move up in price, but overall it's in a downtrend right now. All right, the next one is from Rolina. Is that Bank of America? No, is it? Let me see. Yeah. Okay, that's in a downtrend too. Okay, so you said you have a call for December 23rd. Okay, so that's in a couple of days. Why are y'all holding on to these so close up? Are you trying to do a day trade or what? 1223. Okay. 45.50. Okay, that's not too bad. So it's about $18. Very high. Oh my gosh. Very high volume, very high open interest. The delta, it's about 0.19 delta, and the theta is low. So that's what I do like about that. Okay, and it's a call. So let's see. I think I see the pattern that you're looking at right here too. It's kind of has that same little pattern. It's at the support that we've kind of hit a few times at 43. So it could at least go up to 45 again in the next couple of days. So I think I see what you're looking at. So if I was going to get into that, I don't know if you already have that position. If I was going to get into it, I would really want to see it hit this 44.38. So 44.40. So it has maybe a little under $1 movement upwards. And then even this little support and resistance that it had going into closing on Friday, at least 44.20. So it's at 43.88 now. 44.20 will be a good look for that call. And that's going to be short term. So I might day trade that or hold that for a couple of days. So we'll see with that. But thank you for that, Ro. Smash the like button. Thank you, Jay Pitts. Okay, QCOM, was that one of the ones from last week? It was. Okay, who was that asked for that? QCOM. And okay, Henry for the Apple. What's up, Beverly? Hey, cousin. Anybody asking for Apple or QCOM? Those were from last week. Make sure you tune in to the top 3 options top 3 options plays video when I upload it, because I give an in-depth, look into the stock direction and the options that we were looking at. So make sure you tune in to that. And yes, for a day trade. Okay, Ro, then yes, Ro. Like I said, I would need to see it move up at least above that, at least above this 44.20. All right. Hello, Black Girl Stocks here from Avatar Nation. What's up, Nessa? Thanks, Foxtail. Not comfortable with puts yet. Still trying to master that with paper trading. I know that's right. Paper trade as long as you need. This is not a race. And I feel like learning how to read charts and get control of your psychology and how you react while you're trading is a lifelong skill to, sharpen. So don't feel bad about paper trading as long as you need. What's up, Victor? Okay. Oops. Okay. So this is from Victor. I'm not going to tell you that, but I know somebody important named Victor. So, okay. So let's see what it's talking about. Ooh, Lord, let's zoom out. Okay, wow. Okay, so they just had earnings. Yes. Ooh, yes, they had an earnings beat too. This was on the 9th. Okay. So let's see. You said analysis on Oracle options, 1223, $100 call. Okay, so a little out of the money for me. Swing, you bought it on the 17th. So you've been holding this for, okay, so this was on Friday. I see what you're looking at, Victor. Okay, so it had this huge jump in price on the day of earnings. It kind of fell a little bit of a correction. Let's see what happens going into next week. Now, one thing I do like about this, look at the MACD indicator, look at the histogram. One thing I like is how you see you have your red bars here. They're kind of starting to get shorter and they're moving into the green. So that's a good, you know, bullish signal to me. RSI is very low and it looks like it's ready to come back up. Oh my gosh, this is looking really nice. Now let me look at the implied volatility. Implied volatility is decent, 44. And you said 23,100. What is this? Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. 9,000, over 9,000 on the volume. Freaking amazing. That means it's very, very active, very, very liquid. A lot of people are getting in and out. It has a lower open interest. So that's another thing I like to see with options, that if the volume is higher than the open interest, that means that people aren't sitting on this. So this is not something that we're sitting and hoping on. They're getting in and they're getting out. The theta, it's a little high. It's a little bit close to the delta. So the delta is not too high. So it's 0.26, and then the theta is 0.18. It's not a lot to me. So, I mean, obviously you would have to either have a larger move or a swing in the actual stock price, or you would have to have more options. And then with more options, you have a higher theta, then you'll be spending more. I feel like I'm just rambling right now, but that's just kind of something that you want to be careful for with those high thetas. So this is going to be a quick move. We're going to see what happens. And then before, it didn't move too much before, you know, the catalyst was the earnings. So going into next week, and you said you bought this on Friday. So let's see. Oh, Lord. Okay. It is kind of, Okay, so I would want to see it move past 100. Is that, oh, that's $4. Well, that's what I would want. 96.62. I would need to at least see it move past this 97.98. That would be a good indication that it's going to continue moving up. Now, if it moves below this 95.80, that you might want to have your stop loss set around there. So we'll see, you know, I would want to see what happens with that. Thank you, William, for your $5 super chat. Hi, I love your videos. Do you have a stock trading course or one to recommend? I'm actually going to have one available very soon on Udemy. So if you guys haven't heard of that, it's just an online platform where you can have courses and things like that. The only reason I have it on that is because I want it to be, oh God. Boop. You talking about wear a mask? You crazy? Who is this? I'm at home, girl. Don't do that over here. I need to have some moderators, honey. We got him. I don't know who that is. Bert. Bye, honey. Okay. But yeah, so that's my thought on that, Victor. Okay, so I was gonna stay on here for about 30 minutes because, like I said, I have to finish editing this video so that you guys can get into that for next week. Okay. Let me see. Let's do another one. Okay. Okay, this is from Gina. The best place to paper trade is on Thinkorswim. So I'm just going to do a brief little intermission. I'm going to let a few more people have some. Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, Lord. Okay. Hold on real quick, Gina. The reason why I want to have it on Udemy, thank you, Mocha, is because if I just had it on a download or something like that, I feel like you can possibly lose it, or you would just have to keep re-downloading it. But on Udemy, once you download it, you have forever access to it. So I just feel like it's easier for you guys to keep up with, and you can have it anywhere. You can log in. So if you downloaded it on one computer, then you would have to download it somewhere else or put it, it's just easier. And the best place to paper trade is this platform that we're in right now, Thinkorswim. You have on demand where you can actually go back to any day. I have a video on this, so I'm not going to go into too much detail, but you can paper trade with options and stocks. So Thinkorswim, Thinkorswim, Thinkorswim. That's all I like. I can't talk about anything else because that's all I use. It works for me. Oh, wow. Thank you, Aviator Nation. Thank you for educating the people. Thank you so much for your $10 super chat. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's get into a few more, maybe two more. Robinhood, I don't use Robinhood anymore. I only use Webull and Thinkorswim. Webull has an amazing online platform. The only thing I wish they had was option trading with their paper trade, so you can practice on there. But the Webull desktop is freaking amazing, fire, phenomenal, and Thinkorswim. And yeah, the platforms I trade on, like I said, Webull and Thinkorswim. From Howard, thank you, William, for your $5 super chat. I love Udemy. When will it come out? Thank you. I have to, you know, complete it. It's completely from me and just the best things I feel like beginners would want to know. So I'm finishing it up as we speak. Oh, Lord. Okay. Next is from Gurpreet. Carnival Cruise calls. Say that 5 times fast. Carnival Cruise card kit. I'm not even going to try that on live. All right. And they had a, oof. I wouldn't mind a cute little cruise right now. I need a vacation. Oh, girl. I know what you're looking at. Okay. I feel like everybody is waiting for a pull up right now. So let's just see. Okay. I see what you're looking at. Now look at what I like. On the MACD indicator, it did, not saying it looks, it did have a crossover on Friday. So we had a quick little crossover. Let's see if it continues in that direction. The RSI, it's looking cute. It's very neutral at 50. Now, in a downtrend, 50 is actually kind of high. Oh, Lord. And you said a call, right? Thank you, Interfaith Wealth, for your $3 super chat. You said a call. Let me look at the options real quick. Ooh, child. And look at this implied volatility, 94 high. But the options aren't too much, around $82, $39. That's not too bad. The options are fairly cheap. Now, you didn't say an expiration date. If I was going to do a call or anything bullish, okay. Okay, I need to see it continue that. So on Friday, it closed closer to the resistance point of the day. So that's a good sign that if it moves past that on market open Monday, then that's a good sign that it's going to continue moving up. So I would want to see it move into 19, at least 1850. To 19 before I did a call. The calls are very cheap. The options are very cheap. And then one more thing. Let me look at the open. God, dog. Open. And look at this. Another example. The volume is higher than the open interest. Now, they're both really high. So this is a very liquid option to get into. So you definitely won't have to. What is the bid and the ask? God, dog. 2 cents between the bid and the ask. This is waterfall liquid. These are the type of options that you want to day trade. What stock is that? Carnival? I don't know. I'm going to put this on the list. Hold on. Day trade. This is cute. I don't know. Oh, girl, who is that? Oh, wow. Thank you for all that you've done educating us in all investment. Thank you so much for your $20 super chat. Okay, thank you. Okay, so yeah, that is my thought on that, Jerpreet. I hope I'm saying your name right. But this is looking very promising. Child, look at that. And the RSI is low. Okay, so I'm gonna do 29 minutes because I really need to finish editing this. Ooh, girl. It's in a downtrend though. Look, be careful with these calls on this. And then if you were waiting on, okay, so even if it is in a downtrend and you were maybe waiting on a trend reversal, for a trend reversal, I would need to see it move up above $20 to $20. It's at $18.28 right now. If you saw it move past that, that would be a pretty good sign that it's breaking out of that downtrend. What is up with these trolls in here? Oh, Lord. I can't with this. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and keep this short. Okay, and make sure you guys click that thumbs up button for me. Okay, let's do a couple of more. This is from Tinshi Jr., Pfizer. Puts. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's a good setup to have at home? I like two screens. Two screens for me. Y'all are doing too much with this mask mess. You said puts. I mean, it's in a pretty strong uptrend right now. And it had a... What is going on? I don't know what's going on with all these spam stuff. Somebody is really trying hard to mess up the live, child. Okay, but yeah, it's in a strong uptrend. It had a little drawback on Friday, but it's in a pretty strong trend. Ooh, and it had a sharp it had a sharp little drop there. So yeah, you're right. You might be right for the puts. Okay, let me zoom in and see. Okay, so on Friday, yeah, going into next week, if you start to see it kind of fall past this $58, then that would be a good indication that, you know, it could continue dropping into the continuation of the year. But if it started to move past $60 into 61, then that would be, you know, a good indication that it's moving up. And look at the options. That implied volatility, it looks okay. And their prices are really good on Pfizer, so that would be a good move. Okay, you guys, I think we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up because I don't know, somebody is acting crazy on here with this spam stuff. So yeah. Okay, yeah, will the Discord be free? No, it's gonna be a subscription-based Discord because I only want people who are serious about joining the trade community, and yeah, it's definitely gonna be subscription-based. It's not gonna be crazy though. I'll let you know what it is, what the price is gonna be. It's not gonna be crazy. This will be the last one. Okay, this is from Jerry. This is gonna be the last one. This is from Docs, and then we're gonna wrap it up, you guys, because I really need to finish editing this video. Okay, so this is definitely in a downtrend. I don't know, yeah, definitely in a downtrend. If I was gonna do anything on this, I would do puts, but you might have a quick little move up in price because it looks like we're gonna have a little crossover. So I don't know, I wanna see what happens on Monday. I wouldn't jump into a put on that just yet. But if I was gonna continue in that trend, I would need to see that price move below 47.50 to 46. So that's a pretty good drop in price. but that's what I would want to see. Okay, so and you didn't say if you wanted to do options or not. Ooh, child, this is kind of high. 3, 5. So and the volume and open interest isn't super high on that, but you can definitely do something with that. See what happens with that. All right, thank you for that, Jerry. All right. Okay, you guys, so that's going to be it for this live tonight. So make sure you guys click that thumbs up button for me and be ready for the top 3 option plays. That's going to be up a little bit later tonight. So thank you guys so much. I will see you next week. Have a great trading week. Make sure to use your stop losses. Take profits quickly, okay? We're in a very volatile time right now. So, all right, you guys. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.